Beginning at the front door, we step into a nice foyer. The staircase to the upstairs is just to the right. Hallway to the kitchen and the sun porch straight ahead. And the formal dining room is to the left. Fully to the right is the front sitting room. It's quite spacious. Has some beautiful windows. And these look out across to the farm and the pond across the street. The front sitting room has two entrances. The back one leads to the open kitchen, combination kitchen and dining room. We had a dining room table located right there. Just off the kitchen, which has the original cabinets, but is in excellent condition with nice countertops. Just off the kitchen is the sunroom. A very pleasant place to sit. And just outside of that is the backyard with the pool. There's a den with a large bay window and a fireplace. It's a wonderful place to set up a TV, light a fire, have a beer, and watch the game. Off the kitchen is the laundry room. Plenty of room for a modern washer and dryer. And the half bathroom, the downstairs half bathroom. It's a toilet and sink. Back through the kitchen to the formal dining room. It's a large room, a table that currently has 6 chairs at it, more than enough room to seat 8 if you have a big family. And it also has 2 entrances, one from the kitchen area and one that comes back into the main foyer. Heading upstairs, at the top of the stairs on the right are 2 bedrooms. There's a back bedroom, which is really very large. Has a nice corner for a child to put a desk in with a window and good closet space. The front bedroom has 2 windows looking out onto the pond and farm and good closet space. And back out in the hallway, full common bath for the upstairs 3 bedrooms. The second back bedroom, again spacious with lots of closet space. And another front bedroom, which is the master bedroom. This bedroom has an attached full bath with a shower. Back downstairs to the full basement, which is the doorway from the first floor leads to the cellar, which is an unfinished cellar, but it is dry and it has never had a water problem. It's quite large. At the back is a doorway that leads to a bulkhead, which goes directly to the backyard. There's a workbench, and the cellar is L-shaped, as is the foundation of the house. The electrical system is modern and was updated with a fully automatic, electronically controlled whole house generator, which is outside. Central vacuum, central air conditioning, and modern furnace and water heater. So it's a good sized cellar which could be used as a workshop and storage area, which is what we did to it, or updated to include a finished playroom for children.